In this TopDog training video, you're going to learn how to make and receive phone calls using your TopDog Softphone app. Okay, let's get started. So on my screen, you're seeing I'm already logged into the Softphone app. I'm at the dial pad, and let's go ahead and make an outgoing call. We're going to call Susie at extension 556. So we're going to press 556, and then in the lower right corner, we're going to press the little phone icon there to call Susie. And there you go, it's calling her, and I hear the phone ringing here. Her phone is ringing, so let's answer and hang that up. Okay, fantastic. Now, let's have Susie call us. And there it is. Here's the incoming call. I see Susie at extension 556 calling. I can answer, ignore, or reject. Reject goes right to my voicemail. Ignore means I don't hear any rings. And if I click answer, there we go. Now I'm talking to Susie. Now I click end call. Okay, so in this video, you've learned how to make and receive phone calls using the TopDog Softphone app. I will see you in the next video.